Checking in from Hot Springs, an area we haven't been to in a few days, so we came over to see how recovery efforts are going 4 weeks after Helene. A lot of the debris is still needing to be cleaned up, but a lot has been cleaned up, and a lot of it is surrounding here by the Spring Creek, which runs right through town and is where many businesses sat along, like the Spring Creek Tavern right here. This was a porch, and now it is completely caved in. There was a small lodging area, the hotel behind it, also heavily damaged after the storm.